like a residential neighborhood. Can you go back towards where we were? Yeah, not to that same parking lot. Just this is all one way. You're gonna have to get on the left hand side and go around the block.
I saw her walking up here. Oh yeah, she's right here coming up. She's fine. Okay. On the right? Yeah.
Why is there always a cop car when I'm trying to get something done? Hold up. Hold up. Go around the corner. Is that? I fucking hate this van. It's so stupid. Stop right here. And my seatbelt has got me trapped.
You gonna go with Magic?
I'm thinking about it. I haven't seen her yet.
Slim Pickens. That looks pretty good to me. Nice.
Excuse me. Can I talk to you?
Yes.
Hey, do you know a good like pizza place around here?
No, I'm not from here.
Oh, well, where are you coming from?
South Carolina.
You just walked here from South Carolina?
No.
Okay. Is this making you nervous? Am I freaking you out?
It's a little weird.
Sorry. I go around and I kind of like document everything I do. It's not like a paranoia thing. I keep waiting for something cool to happen, you know? Because if I can get it documented. Hello. You're very pretty. She is though. I like no. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm just talking out loud. That was stupid.
Okay.
Hey, what are you doing today?
I was gonna meet someone for lunch, but they haven't called me back yet.
Really?
Yeah.
This might sound strange, but how would you feel about just hanging out with us?
I don't think so.
Why? Because what?
I don't know you.
Who knows anybody in life?
Have you seen the driver's hair?
In a weird van with tinted windows. Kind of sketchy.
Oh, it's the van that bothers you?
Just the whole thing, honestly.
Maybe if I get out of the van. That seems to be what scares everybody.
That's gonna help.
Well, I'm not. Okay, I'm harmless. Don't worry about me at all. Can you guys like? Can you just like drive up the block, find a parking space or something?
Yeah.
Just so we're not blocking the entire intersection.
Get to know each other.
Hi, my name's Marco.
Hi, Sierra.
It's nice to meet you. It's really bright here. Can we walk over to some shade or something? Okay. All right, that's cool. That's cool. All right. Well, you seem open to this. I mean, do you feel better now that the van's gone?
Not really.
Okay.
I honestly don't even know why I'm doing this right now.
What else would you be doing right now?
Waiting for my friends.
Well, are you guys gonna meet up and do something, or?
Yeah, if they ever call me back.
If they ever call you back?
Yeah.
Hey. Well, I have a proposition for you. You don't have to go for it. I mean, it's all up to you. But as you can see, I'm a short man of pudgy stature. I'm completely harmless. But my friends and I, we do like a documentary kind of stuff. Like we just we try to meet people like you on the street and just like interview them. You know, just like ask them questions about their life, get their opinions on current events, stuff like that. We pay like $40. It's only going to be like 20 minutes of your time. Is that not enough?
Just an interview?
Yeah, just chatting.
Talking?
Yeah.
Sure, why not?
You're really going to do this?
I guess so.
Okay, but we can't do it here. We got to do it in the van.
I don't know about that. That's
See, why does that always that always freaks everybody out? Maybe if the van was a different color, would that help?
No, it would not.
Really?
No, it's just getting in the vehicle with someone you don't know who has a camera.
Have you ever taken a taxi?
Yeah.
Taxis have cameras, and the drivers are strangers.
Still not the same.
I don't understand where it changes. This is where I always get stuck, because I don't know. I would really like to talk to you. I'd really like to pay you for your time. What if I let you hold my ID? Would that help?
No.
No?
Not really.
What if I raised the price?
Yeah, that might help.
Really? Okay, so it's about money. It's welcome to Miami.
Yeah.
Okay, $60?
I don't know.
No?
Yeah, it's my safety.
I never do this.
You seem like a crazy person, but you could be.
Yeah, you could be too. You might be a danger to me. You might have a gun in your purse. I don't know you.
True, you never know.
What about well, where were you going? You were walking, right?
Well, I don't know yet. I was waiting for my friend to call me back.
What about okay, I'll give you $80. That's the best I can do though. And if you're not going to do it, I have to walk at this point, because I'm kind of burning daylight and I need it. That's why we have to do it in the van, because the windows are tinted so it's not too much sunlight. I have a light in there so I can make you look pretty. I've got, not that you need help, you are a pretty woman.
Like any type of company, or is it just like...
No, I'm a footage hoarder. That's all.
Okay.
I have walls and walls of footage. I'm hoping someday it'll be worth something. Just documenting my generation, really.
Okay.
So $80 and you'll do it?
I guess so.
All right. Hold on a second. How old are you?
24.
Oh, okay. Cool. Fuck, my friends are gone. They'll be, shit. All right, well, let's get started. Let's go find my friends. I shouldn't have let them get away. We're just gonna walk down the street.
This way?
Yeah, I think. I don't know. I wasn't watching. I was watching you.